English alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, ant, apple. B, banana, butterfly. C, cat, corn. D, dog, duck. E, elephant, ice. F, fish, flower. G, guitar, giraffe. H, home, horse. I, ice cream, iguana. J, trees, jellyfish. K, koala, kite. L, lion, lemon. M, monkey, mouse. N, nestling, nuts. O, orange, owl. P, penguin, pen. Q, queen, quail. R, rabbit, rocket. Sun. S, star. T, television, try. U, umbrella, unicorn. V, melon, vegetables. W, watermelon. X, X-ray fish. Y, yogurt, yak. Z, zucchini, zebra.